Welcome back to Tugger TV, and this is a brand new movie called Wicked Friend. I'm want to watch a movie to the very direct end. Before I go in a movie, I want to go over Shanice lifestyle. I do you right the last time, but you know, for no never subscribe. I want to go over there and subscribe. Please, me I beg you. She did 400 add. So she gonna need 600 and add more subscribers to reach 1,000. So I wanna go over there and subscribe and do it right for me. She soon post a movie or a vlog or something over there. Something that will go over there. So just go over there and subscribe and stay tuned. Make sure you put the bell to all. Remember me say, go over there and subscribe. Before I go in that movie, I know I see me the crutch stick them and the props. You see me? The two of them broke. Put the camera on. Two of them broke. Meet in an accident. And my two broke. Two of them broke. You see me? Yeah, I get them a crutch for borrow. Yeah, because I'm not up on the food. You know me I talk about food. You see me, I'm on the food right now, so I get them for borrow. So I don't know if anybody out there want help me get 2 pair of crutch. No, 1 pair of crutch. Yeah. But I really appreciate it, you know. Or any other thing, no one assist me. Unless hit me up on the number up on the screen. You see me, big up on yourself, see me as me say. Watch the movie to the very direct end. Big up on yourself, Tugger say that as usual. You see me, as me say as usual, you don't know what I say. Drop an honest comment down in the comment section. Big up on yourself, what a love.
To it. I can't bite this. Tugger! Jesus Christ, you boy in there. But my bike do, Father God. What am I going to do to my bike? Lord Jesus Christ! I can't bite this. I can't believe someone left my bike and go for about 1 week and come back and see my bike mash up, you know. Yo, me general, my friend. You know see one boy when named Tugger. Leave me a look for him. He's tall man and he should be here alone and he have dark complexion.
Yeah, nothing doing. Why you walk on some crutches?
No, my father, I know walk for that man.
Well, I don't see him then, my father. I see like on broke foot, you did go away, but if I know him, I don't know who then.
Alright, me check down here that stuff.
Yeah.
Boy, that boy in the feet. Must look him. Okay. Name that. Yo, where are you so bad man? What happened?
So yeah, I think you
Brother, you believe say me go and me go brother what you and come back. And my bike look so brother, want to my bike?
When me explain how many money we have to take up because
Yo, explain.
so you go to lick me on my foot.
Explain.
You gonna lick me from my foot, you?
Bad man, me say if you explain, come in and long talking, bad man. How my bike look so?
Me a go down in the road. Me go pick up my woman. I'm a borrow bike to ride go down the road. I'm a good on so rich I can listen to my lick me.
Bad man, I good God have mercy now. Me not take this and lick you in your foot. Yo, you know what?
So where you going?
You know what God send me for you.
And I'm being wrong, you know?
Me not care how wrong. Only thing me have to say, make sure me thing David dog. Fix my bike dog. Cause you know the power you're the you know bad man. Me left my bike, you know. Me never left it with you if you go ride, you know, and mash up my bike, you know.
Ask me one to me foot you come and just so fix bike.
When me go up a yard and see my bike, me know say I crash or crash.
See, you ask me as a good friend, you even say your foot good and you never ask me nothing like that. You just said, I come and say me fix bike. The bike soon me can't do.
So you can never call me and tell me say I ride out my bike.
Me call, you know, see me call me call. Me call you and me nah get up on your phone.
Just fix my bike, bad man. I mean I don't know long chatting with you here.
Me can't fix the bike and me a deal with my foot. Me not even have no money.
So when my bike I go fix?
You know my friend now, you pressure me, sir.
The thing I can't take no bad man. You left my bike, you know, brother, and go with me and go in. And come back, come see my bike, mash up bad man.
Brother, yeah, my friend, me soon. And I like to me now, the
And it come like you dey hide me there, cause me dey walk and look for you bad man and can't find you. Much people you make me have to ask for you.
But alright, that's how my auntie had me. You don't know what's me there, how you mean to me and hide you.
Brother, you see us from today? I get till from today till Saturday to fix my bike, bad man. You say my bike not fixed.
More that time, more that thing, me no fear dog. Yeah, look on one little bike, you didn't even say me could have dead or nothing, you would.
So I'm sitting up on bike. Today or Wednesday, I get from today till Saturday. I have 2 days to fix my bike. So you must know where you want. I go down there, so.
Yeah, give me 2 days to fix the bike. I'm just tell you, me and start out my foot dog.
I'm not busy with the foot on my bike, I'm busy with bad man. When I come like in licking head.
Yeah, give me a good time to fix the bike, brother. You make it look like me a run, bro. Say to my friend, yo.
Boy after me take my bike. This a boy, you imagine to God say this a boy I take my bike out of my yard, bro. No permission, you. I'm gonna mash up my bike, brother. Yo, can't take certain friend, you know, bad man, car. Yo, bad dog, you don't say it right, brother. What happened? You know, go over auntie, I'll go see him Pantic.
Allah, you have to that diamond there. Them next diamond there, go down the road, I go around 2 million and that not even there on the clock. Father, I hears me a ride bike and I never ride so hard in my life yet. And I want you to on the top ride bike.
I say, boy, lie and I can't tell me say I know him wrong.
I know him wrong, what? I lucky say I know drop in, drop out of life, you see me? Father, me never see a man ride a bike hard so yet.
No.
I don't know how engine a blow.
The boy, they go make me do him something, you know. He go make me hurt him, you know.
Me don't know about that. Matter of fact, you ain't hear nothing from me. You ain't hear nothing from me. Me ain't seen on a bike. I lie me I tell me ain't seen on a bike.
Everything good, you know, brother. I go back up on me yard, you know, bad man.
You right, man.
No, you can't be with me like a dream, me a dream. This can't be for real. Sometime in my life, brother, I tell about them a friend and brother car. Can't believe say 1 week me left my bike for. Go to town and come back. And the man mash up my bike, brother, yo. See them my friend and all. That yo, that's why you sometimes you get down with family and you stick to problem more than friend, you know. What happened to you? You know, man, knock up your head, brother. I want you. I want to talk to you, brother.
Brother, no, sir, the day before yesterday. I cried.
What do you mean, cry? You can?
I borrow my nigga bike, me I go for my woman.
Brother, man, take you much time and tell you about the bike thing, brother. And by last time you see me on the road, I carry one batch good on the road, and you say to me, say, boy, if you drop you up something, you go on. Because bike, brother, yo, and you see a lot of people feel bike. So, am I help you with that start you?
I'm not straight.
Yeah, me not ask for you, me ask so.
Nobody not, man, because me not no papers and something. The bike not straight. And my friend bike now, best friend bike me borrow. And go down there, and my next bike was going to slam in me, because I ride go down there. And see, me look up, and me look back down, and me ride out, and me look up, so one bike that goes slam right in my foot.
But see a virgin now, so I'm thinking about
I'm a virgin, I'm not too long. My best friend and feel bike, you know, and he ain't there, they are told. Ain't come now. Say want him bike to deal with. No. Oh, me go deal with bike now.
What do you mean bike to deal now?
You want him bike to fix.
Like my pressure, you?
Yeah.
I like that. What kind of dirty
and me have all the next somebody bike to go fix.
What do you mean next my bike?
Come me not no papers. Me wrong, you know.
Yo.
Me not no papers, you know, but me right. Come go up on my side and bump to me have a right and road.
So a man understand all of that and see that pressure you?
I explain to him and he don't want to hear. He don't want to listen to none of that. He must say, he want him. I'll take up his crutch, he lick me for my foot.
What? Your best friend, and you still say your best friend out of your mouth, you trying to say one youth where you know a long time. What kind of style, brother? Me use some rules certain way and thing, because the man has bike and me a walk foot. You call him best friend now, because you're best friend and you have bike and ride. Brother, me use some rule to wipe a situation. Walk foot go check y'all. You remember them days there? Now you can't walk foot go check y'all because why you have bike. A bike friend you want, man. Bike best friend. Yeah, man. So a bike best friend get here. You happy? Eh?
And I like me forget your number.
Oh, you mean say forget me right now? Remember me how long me say walk one.
Out there me a coming.
Up where? Happy come. Hop go back down, sir. Where you have come up for me yard? Eh? I saw the people stay them. I want to down and understand, say, boy, there's a lot of things around. Ground. Sound stay, brother. You know the person vibes with us still.
My pressure will fix you by that. I'm mad at
So. I know money you come on, idea. I know money you feel like you're going to check me for.
Yeah, me could have borrowed 120 grand for and me put better and 60 time me gear back. Me too late.
Yeah, also they give medication too.
Me no money to get no medication.
Oh, they give medication.
Me go see me can check my mother too.
You need to go Bellevue to come and give medication, because obviously you're mad. Your brain turn around. Eh? You need to turn around back and get back to reality. Brother, you know some I have certain things like that. I mean, mama take care of me. You see, I don't long want to be here. I'm a shut mother with me out.
I know you need to check me and say, yo.
You hear some bike here?
That me here.
That you go hear, because people are going to tell you things. Because I'm borrowing bridge in the car. And the man gonna find for 2 weeks.
No, me here. Your bike car.
And the brown girl, you see the brown dirty girl around us? Eh?
Who that? Chrissy?
No man, Punchy, brother. Brother, Punchy, you know my food friend, I try to get how long I couldn't get it because I don't nothing.
You get her?
Me get it. Me get it. Brother. What? You ain't just.
Yeah, drive.
2 minutes, yeah. So you know how I'm going now. It's Punchy see you. Tell her, say. You know, see me for a long time. You understand me? I say? So, if you take the hot water, eh?
You can buy me a juice.
Buy your juice. I can buy your juice too.
Let's see me see my mother first. Why? Nobody in America right now.
You don't want to wait for me, mother.
Yeah, that's what I do. I sleep on roadside. Hold on there.
You wait for the pass, man.
Eh. So I'm to your foot. Oh, something wrong with your foot and you not call me and tell me as your mother. What's your problem? What happened?
I no phone. No phone. Yesterday before yesterday, I meet in an accident.
So you couldn't borrow, you want to assume you could have worse than this, thank God you know worse. You could have end up in a hospital. Eh? You could have lose your life. And me as your mother don't know. Everybody else would have know. And nobody not call me and tell me something. None of your friend them don't know about this.
Only friend me they have a Tibian right now. He might cost me about him bike say. Me go
So
mash
TB
up
bike.
him.
Jesus Christ,
I
God.
borrow if you go pick up.
How much time me tell you say TB down the road I call up your name say every minute you borrow him bike, you run you out of gas and the car back on give him with a little bit of gas. So wish that unfair for that you do fit too. But if you stop borrow people things.
Always came back 2 bills
2 bills.
to put in there.
So hold on there. Come to your foot. He's spraying or he broke.
And 2 of them broke.
How much are you two broke?
The whole 4 of them.
Jesus. God. So hold on there. The one son I may have would have gone and me no know. You want to tell me say, although you not have no phone, you couldn't borrow somebody's phone and call me? Say you don't love me as your
One
mother.
time I come right and say me know say your son pass.
Then suppose me never fi pass, that's why I did take care of the road around there so. You don't know say me can walk around there so too. And come back all here so. Wait, jeez, so hold on there. So you, are you bandage it up by yourself or you go a doctor?
I go hospital.
You go hospital. So what the doctor say? What you fi do? You fi come back
I
on?
go back a doctor about Tuesday. And we take
A
off
therapy,
here.
where they go do? What they
I
say?
got some therapy something.
Oh,
And the next week by me have to go fix it the next week myself. Myself coming on the license. Right, but me have to get it wrong.
Eh? Yes, sir.
Right, and me have the right.
And you did have your right away? Or Oigo? What happened between you and that
And
smash?
not me cause the accident.
I want to carry your crash in or a bike or what, truck or what?
Let me explain. Me a good on red dragon. Right? By the time I go down and reach the little distance, the water run, I stop and I look up and I look down. By the time I turn back my head, I ride out same time. When I look back up, I bike down, I see I come down well hard, I come down. And jam in brake and I slide them. I go across the road and the bike slide from looking at my bike.
So something happened to that person now?
No, I'm damn near load.
So,
But the bike mashed up.
so who responsible for that bike then now?
They tell me I have to fix it, so I'm not scared.
You want to tell me say, TB bike, no license nor insure?
No license, true.
God. So you never know all the time you're the rider. Can I first already, you know?
I never yet ride the gun on fireplace.
May I ask you one question? You never know before you ride the say no license insure.
Yeah,
So I see where police could have taken a TB bike and you'd have still have to be responsible for. So the boy bike will mash up, who responsible for it? You? So you have to go pay for it.
Then tell me say me have to fix your bike.
So now me have to go take out the last money when I have and give you to go fix people bike.
I go give up.
Me tired. Jesus Christ. How much time you go put me in a trouble like this? Remember say the little piece of house and me the bill not done yet. And the room, all when you gone live with woman, me no care. Me have to build on one room round at the back here. The room me the bill not even done yet. So every dollar when me save, you go put yourself in a trouble and me go have to spend it on the trouble instead of spending and do something else more important where you have to benefit from. Look into yourself, I not pick me, you know, you're a big man now. You're a big man, I'm tired to talk to you. You make me talk to you like you want a little teenager boy where just hurry come up.
I'm just hear the one thing.
No, look into yourself. Alright, me understand. You say I know you wrong, but you have to go take the wrong then say because you know license not insured. Me understand that part there. But listen this, there's a but. You know and I know. The whole Jamaica know say you're not supposed to ride or drive, whatever it may be, as long as you're on the road. You're not supposed to go in and none of them without. If I want learners, God Almighty. Wait there. So you have learners? You have license to go ride bike?
Learners,
Oh, see there. Straight at jail you're gone. I see where from police did come. Only because you get damaged. See ya? Only because you get damaged. Me sorry to hear about your foot. You understand? Me feeling in my heart. But me thank God so you never did. But suppose one police did catch up on the bike, then take your TB bike, then tell you go to jail, me have to come bail you. And me have to go work. You need to look into yourself and stop them foolishness here. Which girl? Hey God. So you borrow one? You borrow one bike?
You want to lick me from my foot in church.
Oh.
But you want to bike.
No, you can't lick up on your foot today. Understand saying grieve and he want to and him a friend, he not go lick up on it. He just want you fix the
take up the
bike.
cut so you lick myself and then one thing I'm wicked or something. Lick up on your foot.
TB when me know. TB when me know from the little so.
I say more
and you and him grow up as friends.
give me 2 days time for fixing bike.
Don't worry yourself. I'm going to give you the money to give TB. Because you and TB a friend from a long time. And when they come from far, you have to say when you grow up together. Me no want it to have nothing. First, you run for ride the bike without a license insurance. Second thing, you need your own thing and stop borrow people things. You see when you borrow people things, the devil will put you in a trouble fast and when I feel your own thing. You understand? Because even if I did feel your bike, you understand me. I don't say you can't catch off there, you know. But when you borrow people things and the devil knows you don't have money, a certain problem, he put you in it. You understand? Come off the road and go on your yard. Because you know look good to see you sit down on the roadside and sleep all long. Me can't believe this now, God. So the one little money, Father God. Me have to go take you and get it because me no want you and him feel no problem, you know. You understand? So me will give you money, remember me tell you. So if TB come back to you, tell TB say, you go give him it in a 2 days time. As what him say, because I don't want to go pass you on. Because them are people nowadays, if they say, them are go analyze you. Don't disbelieve them. With that joke, them are make her not run no joke with their life. A serious thing are going to hurt now. And you need to start pray. And you need to find one church and make one pastor pray over that foot. Because I don't understand how you just press up. All of a sudden. For no reason. You can't bother. Boy, son, not do.
Come on. Yeah, man,
You can't bother with the no man.
Come on.
Come in and see that man.
No, man, come on. Every time we are done, we can't do it. Come on.
I come here and I go my mother say me go lie down. Mother say me go lie down. Wait.
The mother says, lie down. The mother is an idiot. You call me, you call him to spend so much money.
Now my mother, what sick one mother for do?
Just you on your own because me did the one and she did the one about that same bike. But no.
I'm not me wrong, you know. When you ask me what happened, you want about same bike. You know, ask me what happened.
Hello. Me know everything what going on.
What happened up there?
Yes, sir. You go on for the man right away. What you have to for the man right away?
You know the on the right away, I look at the crossroad first before I go out. And I look so I panic and I see him come. He didn't see me either.
See, your panic is put in a problem.
Me go cross on my side.
Where you side there?
Over the left side me there, I'm go over there. My right cross go over there and the bike slide come looking at the bike coming there on. TB bike.
Feel license?
TB bike no license. And that's why I get wrong.
So what are you? So all your mama go fix that bike. That's the most important thing.
My mother said she go fix it, but my mother said she go fix it.
They got parents
No
that
worry
learn.
about that.
They got parents that learn.
I have to go find money to I two bike them man. Cause he become I'm a best friend and I think you must understand.
No,
Him
man.
tell me say he want him bike fixed in a 2-day time. Oh, me go fix bike in a 2-day time. Me and your friend, you know say me no work.
You look, you get 2 days. If I was me, 1 day, I same time you have to fix it. I don't want to ride it right away. You fix it right away. You mad? I'm for me and ride my bike all day. And you can come mash up my bike
The
right
man
away.
never there and me a call him. If he say me a borrow a bike and he not answer, so me take you and ride it.
Yeah, man. Good. I'm brute you. Mm-hmm. What I gotta do now?
Mother say me go lie down, she go sort out the money.
Okay. I'm there, your mother. I say, come feet are thick, man, and I not stop licking in your foot. I not stop licking in your foot. You understand?
That's why you picking them now, we not live with them. That's why they make you have your catch water for what. That's why you picking them gone and left you. Next thing nobody now live over there with you. You're too wicked, brother. I'm not going to go over me out here.
Let me pick them and live your money. I'm a chicken leg feed right now. I'm glad you know that. You know business. Wicked I know wicked. Right.
Where they study?
I'm for this.
You know there. Me come here and me not see you. It's so not hot. You even put your broke foot here walk up and down. Me have to walk up and down and look for
You
you.
can't find me key if you pull me lock.
Then lick off like with armor.
I'm going to lick off like I'm here. You see what me barely can get up.
If I did that answer me call them when me call your best friend to tell him so if you tell him if you link me, you know that link me.
Right.
And me like, you mean it wrong?
Wrong, somebody I call right now.
Me call to be phone more than 300 times to ask me if you see
You
you
know
know.
that the man there tell me say he want him bike to fix. Ma give me 2 day time for him bike to fix.
So your best friend?
Oh, if you look for me and tell me that, I'm here, my friend.
Me
He
think.
never come ask him about my foot. I say, bro,
You see? That's why I
better
always
days are
tell you. You don't trust friend. See? Me
Wait.
tell you.
Action.
You see? Me tell you. Don't trust friend. But you know, you said Tibia your best friend. And you know, do you nothing if you ride, nothing happen. Remember when you crash me ask you say what you gonna do now? You say no worry your head, Tibia will give you 2 months to fix it. So what go on?
Man, I want him bike fix. I know me.
You want him back fixed by when? How much in give one time?
2 days and I hear me and say,
2
me and
days.
speaking of parables.
Yeah, what kind of friend that you have?
You want him bike to fix. I need me at him say, me have the next bike to go fix the people them. Oh, me know, y'all take up the crutch, you lick me upon my foot, sir.
So your best friend? No, the last time me checking in, you say are your best friend. So all your best friend for one lick up on the broke foot. What kind of friend them that you have, you know?
Not even be a try yesterday.
Didn't you know Molly? All your little lamb goodly arise.
Good man.
Anyways.
My mother go come help me look after that.
Oh, anyways, and the money where you...
Not even come and ask me if my foot a pain me.
Me didn't get to the point, but me not tell you say the money where you did forgive me come for.
You know, say you're wicked.
I'm a wicked.
You see me in a this situation, you really still come ask me for money.
Then if you do, then if you're hungry, me need groceries in my house.
Yes. Tell you. You could have wicked some more.
What going on right so?
Really? Then your mother have cataract off your eyes. You not see me?
Girl, me ain't no
Don't
size.
deal my mother saying.
Me and you are no size. You think so true you. Start grind me son. You start keep up them foolishness here.
Lady.
Oi, me ain't no size. Not talk to me son. Don't push on. Don't push.
No, this look like a tugger. You see, true
Don't call
you
me son
can't.
name. True me can't do
Tugger.
it. No,
So you can fling him all about the place and tell him if he wash your dirty clothes them and do all man kind of something for him. You come drape me up.
As some my son tell you say him a wash my dirty clothes them. Me son look like a girl to you.
And that him tell me now, him say that's why I move out of your house, cause you want to use him like a girl.
You always a take things.
My son look like girl to you.
Lady,
You
irritate
so you
me.
believe
When you come here, you behave like you know, see me like it already on your eyes now. And me feel like so you get too old, up in your shell right now. Bye. Don't need deal with me. And your son me come here start deal with that money more right now for go buy my groceries.
You see disrespect? You see how me want how much time so you know to pick up them little dirty butterfoot rubber tail girl.
You never know you're butterfoot when you push him out.
Hey girl, come here.
Lady,
I'm here talk to my son that. I'm in own you as Noah, daughter-in-law. No rank with me.
Me never business and you me a grind your son.
Hey,
You don't need to talk to me son either because me look here. If you never know my son about
Give me the money, let me go buy
no,
the groceries.
you don't get no money so you don't see food. You're a wicked girl.
You need food, not stop him from give me the money in that
What
pocket.
are they? Let me come over here so. Come in and want to go step on your foot. Oh, hello. You know so you go on your foot so. So we are going to get you don't know if you go buy medication and you have to go back to doctor therapy.
Public hospital give free medication. Pharmacy they are public hospital. Me need grocery to eat.
You see the kind of dirty girl where you take up? Eh? You see it in dirty heart.
Listen, woman, your
so
man.
she no business if your foot better. She want you to
Hello,
figure.
me can't get the money, please. The money me want. Can your mother just irritate me now?
Just go on.
I know that. Lift me out tight and see if me not make you walk with two.
Move from out of my son.
Lady, last time me
You
check.
move from out of my son.
Lady.
Move.
Lady.
Take yourself and go this up. Yo. Walk this up. Walk this up because right here so full of beer ants.
Because you me crash and now you come and ask me for grocery money.
Sure. Look where you come turn up in now. Beer ants. Look there. Pure ants. I make ants gone in my slippers. Me tell us that the girl salt girl. Salt, see there, hands all take me anywhere you see them salt girl there. Hands always there. See there now, you come sit down in a ant's nest and wait for that little cockroach there. And if you come beg your money, and you have your foot for salt out. So when you take the little change when me give you, because you're not working.
Me not give no money, mommy.
And give she. How you gonna look about your foot? Eh? How you gonna look about your foot? You know say one little I go kill this girl that there. Where you get her from? Hello, if you plan to breed she, nobody coming, nobody want no granddaughter, no grandson. From them the kind of barefoot, dirty foot girl there. Me tell you the first time when you care about introduce her to me, say, me not be no mother-in-law for them the kind of girl there. You don't see her head? Eh? You don't see her head how it can?
Man, me call her over here. Are you me wait for him?
So what she did over here, so?
Me don't know she come but she come ask me about for grocery
If
money.
you give her no money when me give you, we find out. From you start there with that the kind of girl there, you salt. See there you have the pop toe. Eh? Doctor bandage up the whole like I whole your foot broke and I must see two of your toe broke or one. Eh? Or four of them. Me not even know how much I know them, much I say 4 months pop. Eh? So see ka this a girl here. Eh? We come here so to you for money. I hit me when your foot did break. And you're meeting an accident with TB bike. You never call me and tell me because every dollar you have you have to give she. So you not think about for your health. Eh? So for your health don't come first. And she alone in front where you can't get things at the front you want so. You know say you're sad for you there with she. You have front where you can pick, choose and refuse from. You have cherry front, strawberry front, pineapple front, grapefruit front, you have orange front, banana front. You have all kind of front and you go choose this and idiot front you will look like a dumpling make with spoon and drop in a pot front. Hey, you're idiot man.
They don't need that now because she said she not care about me.
Look at the nice girl.
You can't believe that
We come on the yard all the while they ask me about you. The little Indian girl down the road, how she love you. And you know, but shut to that the girl there, you pick up this idiot here, this a crosses. Eh? This girl know she that there, they take care of you and they help you with your foot and they show you, say, yes, me love you for you. And you are my man, so when you dip on your foot again, and two hours see and we are in your sickness, I told you, she come for money. Eh? Me don't see if you give her money. Me go see. Look like you're hungry like dog and then I'm from and then this girl come up here, come ask you for money. You idiot? You see your life? Eh? Then a kind of dirty life you want to live. Kill this life. Eh?
Evening, Auntie Zena.
Evelyn.
You know, say I'm glad me see you though. Yeah, right, somebody for me see. You know, say I want son away.
I'm not going on the aunt's nest.
Alright, sorry about that. You know, say I want son. Well, me left my bike, gone a town for 2 weeks and come back. And see my bike mash up. And Auntie Zena, me not tell a lie now, me give him 2 days to fix my bike, you know. And I just because me know you long time and you know me long time. From me look kinda go, you know. I'm want my bike fix, you know.
Alright, here I know. Listen to me now. Me know you're from a long time from your baby. You come like me one a son. I remember say you and my son grew up together. Like a two brother. You know, a family friend. So, me understand say you want your bike. But it already happened. The devil don't do what he do already. Thank God him not dead. And thank God the next person alive same way. But me, we take up a full responsibility in my hand and give you back the money. Whatever parts the bike want, you can get it. Or if I care about mechanic and me have to give the mechanic the money or put the money in a few and give you personally, well fine. But me we give you because at this present moment, you see say him cannot walk. He can't walk. Hold on. Your friend I don't want it to have nothing and this little boy when he went liquor so till he turn man now, he respect me. I don't want the disrespect right here. So listen now, I saw the devil stay the two and friend long time and I understand. You can talk over it. He can't work, you know, which is saying to them break, you understand? So me I go pay you for the bike.
If you work on that, you know, Auntie Zina.
You even tell me say you said 2 days time.
I'm a bike, so, let me work, you know.
Me I go get the money.
In my pocket, you know.
Me understand, but me don't want it to one if you have nothing. Because you see that same piece of bike there, it mash up, you know, and it can fix back. But if somebody did unalive half of the bike, the person cannot fix back. At least you can still see your friend. We want to grow up as two brother. No bother with the quarreling. It don't make no sense. Me I go fix your bike. My son can't work right now. Something wrong with the foot. Me I beg you, give him a little chance and give me a little time for me can pay. You said 2 days. But if you see pass over the 2 days, please me beg you, nobody concuss him and me I go pay you for the bike. I don't know me mash up it. Remember say my son and you come like my son same way. It won't come like a brother.
I mean, expect say bike will fix you fast and 2 days go.
Look here. Sometimes when you hear, no, you have to understand. Hitting you is making you
best
money.
I
know say your best friend, but a grieving, I devil they set up it to one against no one another. You have to understand.
I want to take up this licking on my foot.
Alright, no worry yourself about it. Because when he tell me say take up this licking on his foot, we all grow up together as brother, two brother, you know, and friend, you know. Me couldn't believe me. I feel they say TB take up this licking, can't do it. But anyway, me glad you never do it. Because see there, maybe you're looking for the same foot and then it get worse. So listen to me now. Please me ask you. Although me say 2 days time, if you see 2 days pass and me no give, me they try to sum up the money together to start out your bike. Please. Just give me some time. And me ask you no, if you know the two of us friends, if you can just talk over it and forget about it. So anyway, thank you for listening to me here.
Alright, Auntie Zina.
Alright then, so take care. Because I know say any of me up here today maybe two in a big quarrel in us. Now my chat will him down up here.
I do nothing, so if not I'm to him, you know. I hope you don't call me name, you know.
No, I know say you're not doing nothing. Because just you agree about your bike. I know say your name.
I'm a boy this and if you know me just grieve because I want my bike and he knows say my bike, I make my money.
You understand?
But
no
you
problem.
know, I could have dead, you know. You never come and say, bro, I give thanks to better days ahead or so. Could have worse. You never come to me and say that. You come, you want my bike to fix one bag. You never come and ask me all things that I try explain.
You never ask me if I could have get my bike or take you out of
here. I tell you, say me borrow somebody phone and call you, you know, answer so me go.
Get me, I should allow my bike.
So hold on then, I don't understand this story. I know Tibi lend you the bike and you just they call him and now get him and you go in the yard and sit and take it.
Okay, girl, you want to come over to
Which girl? The same crosses. When me come see her, so that girl is a sad girl. You need to leave her. Tibi, don't worry yourself. Me I go take up as me tell you already. Me personally I go take up full responsibility.
Everything good.
Full responsibility if you take care of your bike.
Everything good, man, Auntie Zina, man. I'm praying nobody, I'm praying no way, no, but me just have my bike. Deal with it, you know.
Yes, me go sorry. Me sorry about everything and do. Me beg you no make it stay right here, so make it up right here, so the quarreling and the vexation and the argument and the this and that. So take care of your ear, take care. And God bless you with everything. And me glad say nothing worse may happen than that. You see where you put yourself in. You see that now? You see it?
You understand.
Me can't go cuss Tibi. Him is like my son.
Boy, I must feel so your mother can't save him, you know. Feel as way they go. Alright, just watch. Make 2 days come and my bike no deal with. And you see something. I must feel say Auntie Zena can save it through. You know me from me a little boy growing up. Alright. Soon know what to do with it.
Me know him, you know say me know it different in little so and him mother. So I know him grew up on the town big man. Me can't make no cuss on one another and fight and lick down on one another. You understand? So no bother with the quarreling, man.
Just want to be there right down there.
So you want me help you going or you will going when you're ready? Me I come go here now.
Just pass the hammer when I store me.
Alright. Hey, hold it, me I go with you something.
He come like you.
And if I can call my sister and beg my sister her money, Father God. I'll try. Ask and it shall be given. Sis. No girl. Me no good known tall. Right now I work me I go and me stress out. You know you say you never crash off a bike. What you mean you not hear about it? Fit you? 2 bike lick up in a one. To your nephew? 4 and 2 of them break. Doctor bandage it up. In Senga hospital and sit me see him with one big old ugly sitting pan in foot. Yeah girl. Then you don't know what. They say him right, but he have to be responsible for the next man bike plus theme bike. I mean by now work. You can't work with the broke 2 of them. What? That may I say. Same thing me tell him. And you don't know worst of all what happened. Then say they want him to fix the bike right now. Okay. When? 2 days time. What me say? You analyze me they tell for true. Then tell him so. Say they want them bike to fix. Who for bike? You don't know what to be. You know say 2 of them come like a 2 brother from a long time and grow up, but you know say. And no money alone. And no money alone, you can borrow from somebody and it cause problem. You can put yourself in a problem where it costs money too. I same thing, money add up same way in there. Yeah. So, you have to go help me. Me have one little change put on for work for my house, but me have to go use it up, you know. I never nothing much, but mother want some more money for you. You have to go help me not lie. Then say they want in a 2 days time and I don't want a problem between him and nobody and then me go involved in it and police involved. Yes, I've been enough game so quick. What you say? What you mean? Me want to give them their money for them bike. What you said? Don't give them the money yet for the bike. Oh, you not tell me say no give them, just not give them it yet. Oh, me understand, but why? Me not like problem, you know. Because then can carry me to court and then me tell I say me no give them no money. But me no either, but I take receipt from them and would I make all JP and police sign it. What? Say them now go through that. Okay, fine. Since as I saw, me I'll take your foolish advice. Me have the money, matter of fact, part of the money for give them. I want some more money. Me go keep it, and even if me get the rest, me will still keep it. Just keep it for a while and see what go take place. Because me no want no problem between me and nobody, you know. Before, so when me they give them it, me give them in front of one police and make them sign feet. You think me a idiot? Then now when you lend me, I have to go give you back for your money. So just so you go still. I work me I go. And it's so hot. On the road me the girl. Yeah. We work me I go. Me left from over me yard already. Yes. Alright, me tell him say you're sorry for hear about what happened. Yeah. Me have to go now, you hear? Because me don't want late to go to work. Eh? I told them break and no like in foot, but you know, doctor, them know what them a do. They must know what them a do why them bandage up in front. The whole line told them in foot bottom come right up. No, not up to him, me. Me I take one picture and send it on you. Or when you have time, you come look for him. Girl, I want nephew. That's how I go. Thank God. Same thing me I go say to. Thank God nothing worse than happen. I just seen too. Yeah. Alright, here. My credit are done. Me just that me did call you about later. When you go give me the money you tell me. Alright, later. Me call you back. Later. Where they do on the road?
Maybe I say me there go. Me go check.
Yeah, they there.
Yeah.
Me see your beard, because you're in a clean clothes and I see your clothes there, van. Me understand. Me never have said that.
Left me over here, but me walk to church with go see Mr. Public or in down there.
Nah, stop walk up and down on the foot need rest. You need to sit down on the chair or the couch or the assack, whatever they want to call it, whatever you want, sit down on and put up this. Make your blood can flow properly.
I want to get him money, people then start out. I try to me can borrow money from public.
Fido, you know, when me did tell us already, me we give you the money. First of all, my sister me just attack.
The next bike, people them will try to get to me. I'm on the phone and somebody tell me this morning that they will try to get to me to fix feel. They will try to get to me to fix them bike. And they want to say they want them bike fixed up. I try to borrow money from public.
Public have money. You go borrow money from public and then we go get it back for him. Maybe I borrow him, I go borrow it from somebody. If he let you through, you and him a friend.
Come to auntie.
She said she go lend me money, but she not tell me when. But she go give me man and my sister. And she me just said that after like a while before you come here.
No mind she get it could have give her. I know. I'm hungry right now. I don't even want to ask you for nothing because you already fix the bike and sitting already.
I cook in my yard and food left on the stove. You can go over there go eat it.
Food up there?
Yes. You want go eat it. I not have to talk in the public, but I put the key you know where there. And now nobody come broke my place. And sit down on your foot, I can't go work now. I'm late.
You know come?
Later, man.
Away there. Take one by taxi, come up and hurry. Fast. Do it fast. Do it quick. Just listen to what me have to say now. Just jump on a bike and hurry up forward. Just listen to me now, brother. I say if you forward, brother, take a taxi even if me have to pay fare if you not have money for you. Me will pay, just hurry up and forward. Just do what me tell us if you alright, this girl I just always feels every time I call him about something like that. A happy girl. Hello, how are you, so? I don't know, girl, up here when I call you, I don't know, no.
So why you have to tell me if you take by taxi
Let me explain to you something. You know what I say, Toga? Remember what you tell us that I go to spend 2 weeks with my grandfather? I left my bike up at Toga yard. To come back now. my bike mash up. He take my bike out and yard, go lick in somebody else's bike, mash up my bike, and no more my bike fix. You can't fix it.
Yes, man. And you then should have ride and go mash up too. What me tell us about that dirty boy there? He don't have no good for himself, you know. So everything for people in try for wreck is not a good friend. First thing first, them boy they love sweets. Them boy they are a good friend. See it? They get best friend. All along me there tell you, Tibi, leave them people alone, a bad company them. See them? No, you know how long me not take a buy a taxi. But I try to hurry up and get that fixer. I go get one you want. Cause me get accustomed for ride on my man bike. And me can't, but if you take no taxi and no bike taxi, me if you tell up make sunburn. Me want ask me come out of the taxi, me go on my man bike. Don't ramp with me. Or each time if you come pick me up, you get one rent. Somewhere or the other. That is
no, me want to come give him 2 days to fix my bike, you know.
that you are fixing that way?
And he might tell me say no money, brother.
Oh, you must know, me can't know for you.
Boy, they go make me mash him up, you know. Go make me mash him up. And that me I try to avoid and run from me, no want to do it. Because me don't want to put myself in no trouble for no bike.
How much time you want about that boy then? How much time? How much time? No, me if you take bike taxi. Me don't like that. Me don't like that, Tibi. Me don't like that. Come. You see that? Me I give you by around 2 weeks. Me I give you for take bike taxi. 2 weeks or else you take this too light. Me don't like soft man, no, Tibi. Me don't like soft man. Me go to the dirty boy them myself. Me, I go to him myself. Me really. Them say me not have no paper
You don't have to go to him, man, because me don't know what to do with me.
Yeah, move too slow, brother. Me say me not take no bike taxi and all. Listen. You're deaf.
You say me I plan to mash him up though.
No, if you mash him up your bike, I'll take longer to fix. Me deal with him. Me with
You don't
deal.
look like him I go get no money now to fix it.
Here.
I want me to
That's
deal
why
with
me want deal with him. Let me deal with it.
you will have to do that one.
Nonsense. It's a rubbish. Good evening.
It's afternoon.
What's on going in, Toga?
Poga.
Yeah.
I went to again. No, man.
Toga, I saw my man bike, you know, sir. I need to see him.
No,
So if you know when we are about there, tell me.
Poor mother. That boy. I feel man bike in my shop.
Sir, you mash up my man bike. I'm again 24 hours.
You're lucky I give so much. How would I give 6 hours? Or 1 hour? You see, two mechanical idiot, then take too long. But I give 3 to 4 hours. To my bike, a brand new bike. No, fix no bike.
Sir,
if a man mash up your bike,
You just attack.
I don't know, fix your one. They want a brand new bike.
Sir, just attack. You don't know ignorant me being if you know me can't find Toga, you send me to me.
I look like you. Everybody call me knows why. What look like you? Look like somebody I walk and chat people business.
Sir.
I walk and know people.
You know how hard this before me used to can jump up a man bike and
Yeah, I cock up your bumper, I know that.
I know me if you take bike taxi, me not depend that with nobody.
No wrong.
No, something wrong. My man left him bike in a house in a yard, you know. And
I don't even give it. Out the same live. Up the same live. I'm glad you talk. I'm glad you talk. I hope the same live.
You follow me? Sir, yeah, look how up the so big. Where is up the so? The house yellow, pink, green, purple, orange, up the same leaf.
You know me?
No,
So how you want me follow you? How you know me going to take you away?
you not take me away, sir.
No, go on. A man, you go check. If I did the woman, no more.
Then, sir, next question. The man of how much dirty clothes you have?
A laundry me run. Laundry, I run. This is how I make my
clothes for the
yeah, this is how I make my little life living. Look, let me show you something. You have to put the clothes in the pocket because people like Uno walk and watch people. You see? Sit there. You alright now? You get Jeff now?
Some money don't make no sense.
Who you? You walk and look at people like say I'm a security.
Walk. Where is a peso? One bag of lock up. Yes, right. I said this is mad. Miss.
Hello.
Oh my God, Miss Yapa. From morning. By the way, you live up here?
Why are you asking me that question? Who you be?
Miss, you're so peaceful. Me come tell you, lady. Don't give me that attitude, man. Please. I'm here asking the boy person living in Toga.
Togu?
Toga.
So you ask me for somebody and I give me attitude. Me supposed to answer you? I saw you ask people
Miss,
question.
if I am Toga there, you go find him for me.
God have mercy, God. You come for work.
No.
Sorry. Alright. I know you did ask me.
Yeah.
So you cannot ask me that the way there. I saw you wait there.
Me see we are tired and hungry and depressed and tired and my man stressed the family. You know, I have time for great people properly, you know.
Oh. So true man stress upon you. You feel like I say anybody you see. You feel talk to them anyhow. Cause
you
you're
want
not
to
sizing
start
up.
over?
You can be a
Miss, good evening, good
evening.
afternoon, good morning.
Mm.
You come from this area?
No, what is your problem?
Me I look for Toga.
Why?
Toga mash up me man bike.
So why you
And
talking?
tell me say him I go fix it back. And no he can't fix it back. I
Why
mean
you
I
talk so loud? You know me?
I don't
You
care.
ask me for something.
No, me I say me no care about
But
Miss. Miss, just
you have to be careful how you ask me question about people. Because you don't even know who you're talking to. And I saw you go see me. Miss, good evening, whatever, and ask me one question.
Miss, me not business who you are.
You question me and the question at the same time where you know
Is
me
either
from.
you know the person or not.
I must answer you.
Look
I
like
say
I am
I just-
talking there. Well, let me give you one message tricky. A man. Tell your man, say, me, say, shot, say, if you fix my man by 24 hours else, right in this. What me say? Mister, you go talk to me or you go stand up and stare at my boy. Mister, woman, I can't real. Just give your money message. Or else you are going to get it. Just give your money message.
Else I go get what?
Anything we forget.
Me notice that they do so and they do so all long and
How
I
did
find
I
up in
hear
my
ya?
face. Like you know me from now. A little girl, me can be your mother. Who you? So you see me and want ask me one question. You don't know me from now.
Lady, come out of me.
I know me name Toga. Me no borrow nothing from you.
Me not like how you come up in my face and then something. Me not like then something them. If I am Toga, me no know. But you know Toga how you talk. What is Toga to you or you to Toga? Just when me go find that bastard.
I ask me one question.
Ask me, ask.
And I saw you go address me. Eh?
Back
Who
on
you?
lady, I come
And
come
who
now,
dare
see
you if you come speak to me like that? Well, little girl, let me tell you something. If you're never...
Miss, me never touch
Me
her.
see you they do so in my face, so you make me
Me
get...
do so, me never touch her.
If I ever pop this here, you go to station today.
Miss, I know you about Spanish town. I'm here. Relax yourself, lady.
Spanish town. And where me come from?
I can't hear about 31 John's Road. Relax
Where me
yourself.
come from?
For your mother, miss.
Cassava piece where my father come from. You can't talk
We're
to
not
me.
afraid of my father. We're not afraid.
You idiot.
You know you're Skengdan come from and them bad artists. Where you want to do?
Look here.
Me said I really that me come boss to you. Just tell me about Tugga.
About Tugga. Well.
Tugga fi fix me man bike.
And him not go fix it before the time. Cause you know you want me go on me other side.
What did this lady?
What you mean what do this lady? He not fix no bike before the time. Well, if you never know and you want to know now, cause you dey ask question in a one kind of way where you not even should have asked that way because you don't even know me. Me is Tugga mother.
Well, oh yes. Right person. Tell us on say he need to fix me man bike by 24 hours or else.
Clean out my throat, Jesus.
You are gonna get it.
Get what?
You dey push up yourself and you go on near the. You know say me don't.
Me don't lady now.
You know say.
What you do with that finger you up in my face? You
Lady, you know say me
put
don't.
on your finger them on your side when you talk to me. You can't do your mother. Don't point in fear. You're too out there. You think so true because me dey give you time to talk and you're like go on with yourself. How you feel like?
All me defend is me man.
Little girl, from me see you, me say your problem, you know. If you never know, me know all your mother, you know. Me know all your mother, you know. Who you come own up, man? You're not even a paper for man much as
you're idiot.
You're not a paper for man much as
anything come here for a man, me have papers for him. For me, I can't DNA in me. I have papers for him. For your information. You say me go make big deal. I'm gonna make big deal.
Yeah, care. Hello. At TB are you there? You never know some no TB.
New?
Oh
You're
no, no, me no new.
Oh.
I knows.
So how you
Listen,
cannot know me?
Hello. Me no know you, but me know TB. And when you start talk about bike and Tugga and one in me know the conversation already. And me, anytime I see TB, me I go talk to him about you.
Go in a bag for money.
Go in a wish bag for wish money. Me not give you not even $1, not even red cent.
You
never get what me say. You never have paper for TB.
We say me we burn down your house.
Burn down here them off for your front. You're too out order. This a wish lady. Go sit down, let's have manners. TB, I want little boy so when me know from him liquor.
Lady, that not
TB grow up in a for me and me can be TB mother ask him about Auntie Zina.
You could be TB mother I want you for my mother-in-law.
Could never. But me I tell us that TB can be his son.
Me that beat you.
Beat
I
you.
would beat you.
You shut up that little motor we have. Shut up here. You think I'm out bigger for me and louder than for me? You know say me out bigger than for you and louder than for you. Eh? You could have sold a speaker, you want no louder than for me. You're out than now. Anytime I see TB, me I go want TB boy. No, me know say you a TB girl, so you are forced TB if you come fight after Tugga.
And the fight alone, him more fight him.
Ain't nah go do it. Then grow up like a brother. You can't come in a TB life.
My man don't like your son.
What try?
My man don't like your son.
No.
Cause first thing my man got torn, left him bike in a yard. And you 1 foot pitney now. That's why I back up a red flip down. Yes man, you know.
Oh.
No.
So you obey my son.
A client.
You obey my son.
Sure.
So you obey my son because you're jealous over TB and Tugga live as brother.
Miss.
So you want to go betwixt the two of them. You're not satisfied
Miss,
with what TB they give you. If I shut your 2 bags today, you ball for your mama because me know Angela, you know. Me know Angela. Me and Angela did friend one time and I told she take me man. Your mama take me man, make me and her no friend no more. So you know, I come argue with me. Get up and talk to me if you have man.
Yes, man. That's how you come by me.
But me never know you. Me no know you.
So me know Angela
because yes, me know you. Me know you because me start remember who you be now. You're a little bit outer than rank and bright.
So true, mommy take your money and take out your
no, me not take out the pan you. Me not no stress.
I never be take
me
your
stress free. Me and stress enough friend. And you talk this about you have man stress and when you young girl like you, not even have responsibility. Not even pick me you don't have. So a TB you want to come breathe to figure your responsibility. You no have no paper for TB. No man paper you no have. So you want to come chat about bike like your own bike. I feel your bike where you want paper
and
to do.
Put me up money and you see client will buy the bike. Make I should say God I should
so you get it back, bro. I say so you and TB get it back.
So let's people things are enough of that people you 1 foot pitney.
Look why you too. Watch you. Since you're there with TB.
You don't worry yourself.
You start look like a smaddy. You know what I'm saying? From me they come. And me see you there. So if me ever realize see you look how you feel a wingworm when you did little. A peer rubbish you pick up on yam. You. As a great man take one stone and bust your head, you damn old insect. You. If you take up all my front, make you come pick them out with tweezers, you dirty wretch. You walk and thief like a why. You think so you can't get nothing from me, son?
Come like him mad out the backside. Every time me I look for her, always some pass, some place, some push there. What about this man? What about that? When me I get this something?
You don't have no money, brother. I have to start out. People them buy it and me never have money.
You know, say me turn your friend and give you one lick on this. Me feel that feel hungry? Eh? Me feel that feel hungry?
You know, say better, the best thing get us go on our ways.
And even if we are going to go on my ways, you need to give me the last grocery money.
You not have it. You not have no money at all.
You don't have no money at all.
You know,
so all you eat?
Wicked youth.
All you eat?
By you, me I come find. And you cause this.
Me tell you say for ride fast. Me tell you come for me now and hurry up. Me never say ride fast. Come for me now and hurry up.
Let's go on away.
All you are eat. That more ask you now.
Disrespect my mother and sister. I'm never yet.
Then look how much time that a woman that disrespect me. Look how much time that a much more broad mouth woman that disrespect me. That leave me now, cause this is the weapon of farm against you now, you know. You see how you have to walk and up. Me make you have to sit in a wheelchair and beg somebody push you. Come for it.
Go on your way.
Me want the last grocery money.
Me not there with that.
Listen to me, and you left me now. And me left you, cause you can't feed me there anymore.
If you left me and me I left
Me at up your foot, you know. Me need the money.
You don't have no money to get.
So all me I go eat.
I don't know.
You need to feed me till me find a replacement for you. Cause you not go out with nothing, you know. If money we have no go buy food for eat, give me.
You not even come and say, how we buy go fix? You come boy, you want grocery money, you want this, you want
Look how much bike your teeth.
Yes, sister, me now work.
Look how much bike your teeth. Got teeth, bike parts.
You see that's why man have to tell them business. At that I think we didn't man have to tell them business.
You should have known that when you talk. Anyways, more like the grocery money. Me hungry.
Don't talk again.
And me got me out with that ticket. Me got me out with it, you know.
Go on here with it. Go on your word, did you see if my mother not come over there for?
And if your mother come over there for what happen, I just dash some piss for her. Remember someone on the bathroom, you know? So you see every day me pissing at me I save it up here because me throw it for her. I don't like car.
You know where you come and say in an argument. Go and find the next man, brother. Me ain't no match. You come, you see me meet in an accident and you me a comfort. You never take up none of responsibility then you come. Boy, you want grocery. You want this, you want that. Sometimes man, you take up some money.
Where you come from? Salad.
Me go to the boy, you know.
Which boy?
That boy talk, I'm going to feed
So how you have to go up there and know where you live?
Where you mean by saying you know it?
Where you find it? You know what time you left and tell me say you come back all out?
Me sit down. Move me a walk, go around part of one man saying up there, sir. So me go up some, walk. And I stop and I see one woman. Me greet the woman properly, you know.
How she look?
She kind of, she don't have little body and she kind of.
One Rasta lady?
No, I hear care go back here, natural, I hear natural. Anyways.
How they find man Zina?
Yes, she see a man. The woman got me throat, kick me up at ground, put me on my body, ring me feet. finger, jail me up, box me. I may only ask the man for son. I don't know this is like you wanted to be.
So I said them I go and I want me give them 2 more there. Alright.
And you are playing with people because they can't make woman and me
They go fix them problem.
And my bloody woman make me taste now.
They go fix them problem. Watch. Just watch.
Oh, your partner.
Today me I fix them problem.
Today.
Alright, watch. Keep me on laughing. Make a phone call.
Make your phone call, baby. And you man tell me about my mother. I say, oh, Timmy, who you there with another body?
Hold on, man.
Big you wanna say a dog. And then me sitting there.
Yo, Daddy's Ken. How ready? You know someone come check you for something though? Yeah, I want to borrow for use off my shoes. Alright, how are you? Let me come meet you. You're there now? Alright, we are forward right now.
Give me a call.
Urgent.
Urgent.
Must say urgent, man. You
He
can't come in.
say a long time him a tell his son say if you tap party there you waste man.
Alright, let's stay. I go hear about it on the news. Just make sure.
Just come back alive.
Alright, see ya. Soon come.
More yes man. That one shit.
Boy, I must feel like you laugh with it in my ear. Yo, Daddy's Ken. All the boy come like him take man things son joke thing. My boy tell me saying that I don't know me yo. Mud in my head, you know. Yo, bad man, how are you? Say them say they had bad man, I'm come and you do like you know there. So I think that. Yeah. Alright. Oh, that boy I need to. Yo, Toga! Boy, Gina, let's see. Yo, Toga! Yo, say I tell me say a joke thing this man I take bad man thing for. You ain't gonna say that boy I deserve to get it do. Anyway, my buck him do me out. Yo. So much time here.
Father, really come shot me youth.
Boy, let me have go here 2 times in here, so.
But my mother soon deal with the money in the brother. I want to pay you, I can't wait, dog.
Hey boy. So what's like when your mother come and come this me girl?
Who's my mother this a girl? Who my mother this a girl? When my mother turn from do that you?
Dog, me your best friend in the dog. And you shouldn't make you rich just saying no. Toga. Me really tell you dog. And your mother know me a long time me and Paul in the dog. But you see the bike where if you fix back, then your mother will can me out and take too long. But we go use that the money.
Mother now can you out, brother, you go get the money. Just wait, my brother.
Yeah, you see that the money there, where your mother did to give me. I have to go add more to it. and buy a casting. Hold this.
Reach the end of the movie. Hope you enjoy it, you know. You see me? Or, I know if you don't enjoy it, you wouldn't reach this far. You see me? So big up yourself. So watch the video come so far. And if you never hear the first part of me say, the two of them broke me in an accident and I could have lost my life. You see me? Oh God. So better you have better plans for me. So I'm there same way. You see me? I go and hold it off. So big up on yourself, heart and love as usual. There I go and hold it. You know, I'm there on a movie. Even though me in an accident, I still push out the work phone. You see me? Yeah. The movie I never did for shoot still enough because I never in the mood. I'm telling you the truth. I'm in the mood. I have someone by my side to push me for deal with the work. You understand? So I suck on my movie I get to forward out. I tell them the right truth. You see me, so? I tell the person on my foot and hurt myself, I have to cut this short. So big up on yourself and remember what I say. Drop an honest comment down in the comment section. And go over to Shanice Lifestyle, like, share, subscribe. Please me I beg you now, make sure you get 1,000. Yeah, guys, she dung in my neck back. So now do it right. Big up on yourself.